acrosome reaction. Second is acrosome reaction. The binding of sperm to zona pellucida will trigger acrosome reaction. So sometimes they ask that acrosome reaction is triggered by. It is different from capacitation. It is triggered by sperm binding to zona pellucida. In the bound sperm, which is required for sperm penetration. The first is the fusion of sperm with the egg, with the receptor glycoprotein and the proteins of the sperms, and this is going to trigger acrosome reaction, which is important for the next step, penetration. This is called as acrosome reaction. The steps of acrosome reaction and penetration of sperms are as follows. Number one is change. If he is having if he is having the ego which is before the marriage, if a man is having the same ego after the marriage, it will be difficult for relationship, isn't it? So you want to change yourself. So change in the membrane of sperm head. Head means your ego. So you have to change your head, the thought process, the thinking process. When you are with your friends, it's different thing, but now you are with your wife or future wife, whatever. So change in the membrane of sperm head, redistribution of constituents of the plasma membrane of the sperm head at the site of attachment results in alternation in the membrane. So sperm head, the head of the sperm, the ego have to dissolve. So membrane have to dissolve. And for that, the redistribution of the constituent of the plasma membrane of the sperm head at the site of attachment will result in alternation of the membrane. So the constituent of the head of the sperm, okay, that will change. Only then there can be alternation in the membrane of the head of the sperm. Okay. Number two, increased fluidity of the membrane of the sperm head. If you are in a relationship, you have to be very fluid. You cannot be rigid. No, this is only correct. No, you can be wrong also. So similarly, increase fluidity of the membrane of the sperm head is important for acrosome reaction. Third is increased calcium permeability of the sperm membrane. So more and more calcium will penetrate, more will be the penetration, isn't it? Calcium is needed. So the third will be not only the change in the membrane of the sperm head, not only the fluidity, but third is increased calcium permeability of the sperm membrane.